Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you a simple concept of using a phone or a computer to send an email without the internet by using your Gmail account. So Google have carefully designed this concept to assist many people who do not always have access to the internet in sending messages to their friends, bosses, or family members. Sound good, right? So let's dive in. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing, you're gonna have to log in on your Gmail account. As you can see right now, I'm logged in. Okay. From here, you come to setting. And then you click see all setting. And then from here, you click offline. Okay. From here, you click enable offline. As you can see here, using 36 megabytes of 279 available for offline mail on your computer. That's fine. Storage email from last 30 days or 90 days, up to you. I can say 90 days or I can say just 30 days or 7 days. Okay, I'm gonna say 30 days. Okay, after logging out of my account, Google Mail account, follow those. Please choose one of the following. Keep offline data on my computer. Okay, I can say like this, and then you click save. Offline not recommended for shared device. I got it. Okay, from here they say create a bookmark for offline access. Okay, you click got it. As you can see from here, it's busy downloading your emails. Let's wait and see. As you can see here, they say ready for offline. So from now, you can send emails. You can read your emails without having internet. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe. Ciao.